It's another snowy day. This snow is lighter than the heavy snow I had upstate New York with the cordless shovel, the little thing that blows the snow away. But I've heard you can use a blower to clear the snow. So we're going to give it a shot and see how well it does. Let's get started. You can blow off cars as long as they're cold. If they're warm, it's just not going to work. I don't know why people do this. They drive around with a lot of snow or even a little bit of snow on top of their car. It's dangerous. Not to you, but the people behind you. When you shed that snow, you can't see. And sometimes people get absolutely ridiculous. Will have this much snow on top of their car or more. Or semis. Just don't do that. It's unsafe. And I guess in some states, it's against the law. So I'm going to take care and help everybody out. Even light snow, when walked on, compacts down and it makes it more difficult to blow off. So I guess the key there is if you're going to clean snow off with a blower, best to do it before you walk on it. So does it work in light snow that you haven't stepped on? Maybe. It does the job, but I don't think it's going to beat shovel. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of curious tests, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what goofy idea you're gonna see.